Hey guys, welcome back to Unlimited Shades of Innovation. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to make sure you don't miss any update. Alright, now let's get started. So in this video, let's see how to make a cute origami paper bouquet. I think kids would really love it. So please do give it a try. And let me know your feedback in the comment section below. So guys, this is the final look. So please do give it a try and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Unlimited Shades of Innovation. Do something creative every day. Take care. Bye-bye.